Asafa's ex seeks $40,000 in child maintenance. Asafa Powell has been hauled to court by his daughter's mother, who is pressing for the Jamaican sprint star to pay $40,000 in child maintenance monthly. The Kingston and St. Andrew Family Court reserved judgment on Thursday, pending the outcome of a DNA test to determine the paternity of the 7-year-old child. The court also instituted a gag order. This prevents either of the parties, Powell and Amita Prasad Webb, from speaking publicly on the matter. The matter was heard for the first time on Thursday, July 30th. Prasad Webb is being represented by attorney Michelle Thomas of Michelle Thomas & Associates. The request for $40,000 is an increase on a former arrangement of $25,000. The court outlined that it could not order an increase because of new developments surrounding paternity. The DNA test was requested by Powell through his attorney Annalisa Lindsay. The results should be available for the next court appearance. It is understood that the former 100-meter world record holder had been maintaining the child up to earlier this year. Representatives for both Powell and Prasad Webb did not provide any comments on the matter. In child maintenance settlements, the complainant is required to match the request being sought from the defendant. If settled, the full maintenance of the child in this case would be $80,000 per month. In 2019, the sprinter wed Canadian model Alicia Miller, with whom he shares a child. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about these new developments in regards to Amita and Asafa Powell. Of course, there's a child in the middle of this scenario, and this child needs to be maintained. As I said, leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about this situation. Thanks for watching.